There, the tomato was introduced to the European aristocracy. But they got sick from eating tomatoes and even dropped dead. So they stopped. I'm not just a little man. I'm a chef. And being a great chef is so much more than stirring in a cooking pot. To tell you, I understand where all these jealous comments come from. Chefs nowadays, they get so much attention with all this cooking.
Napaka-sweet talaga ni Mommy Mina sa kambal nito na sina Mavi at Cassie na nagse-celebrate ngayon ng kanilang birthday dahil pinagdidiwang nila ang kanilang 24th birthday ngayong araw. Ito'y birthday sa lubong na kung saan ibinahagi talaga ng aktres na si Carmina Villaruel sa kanyang Instagram account ang birthday sa lubong surprise nito kay Mavi at Cassie. Itong video na ito ay para kay Mavi na kung saan talaga namang nagulat itong si Mavi at very sweet talaga itong si Mommy Mina. Grabe din talaga ang ganda ng cake. Talagang pinaghandaan ni Mommy Mina ito at syempre no, kilig na kilig itong si Cassie at si Mavi dahil sa ginawa nitong si Carmina Villaruel. Birthday sa lubong of Mavi and Cassie. To our adorable twins, happy birthday. You both bring so much joy and laughter into our lives and we are so proud of you guys. May your day be filled with all the things you love and deserve. And may the year ahead be filled with exciting adventures and endless happiness. Watching you two grow up together has been such a blessing. Having you both is our greatest achievement. We love you, Mavi and Cassie, more than words can say. I love you forever. I like you for always, as long as I'm living. My baby, you'll be. Diba? Napaka-sweet talaga nitong si Carmina sa kambal. At itong kambal na ito ay very touching talaga sa ginawa ni Mommy Mina sa kanilang dalawa. Yung mensahe kasi talaga para kina Mavi and Cassie 'di ba? Talagang makikita mo talaga how genuinely itong si Carmina sa kambal. At itong mga cakes na ito ipinadala kina Cassie and Mavi. Ito'y galing sa kanilang mga endorsements at sponsors. At you may check their photo shoot, birthday photos sina Cassie and Mavi. Grabe din talaga. Very giving talaga ang dalawang ito. Habang itong si Michael Sager napaka-sweet dahil nag-story siya ng birthday message sa kambal. Nag-dinner sila, no? Napakaganda ng kanilang birthday celebration. Sila lang apat with their parents. Pero ang ganda talaga ng resto. Napaka-cute, grabe 3D, no? At ibang klase talagang experience yon. Kaya naman, again, happy birthday, Mavi and Cassie. Sana this year, maabot niyo yung mga goals nyo sa career ninyo and more projects pa. Happy birthday!